Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss in detail the topics related to clothing industry. The topics we are going to cover in detail are how to increase sales for clothing brand, how to grow your clothing business, tips for increasing sales of e-commerce clothing stores, and strategies for improving sales of clothing business. And yes, we will share proven records and processes to generate sales for clothing brands. Before that, here are some interesting facts about clothing industry. The trends for shopping of clothes online are on the rise by passing of each day. Let us dive into some more inputs or stats. Between 13th February year 2023 and 19th February year 2023, as per Google Trends, queries related to clothing industry are summarized below. The first one being clothing, the second one being clothes, third one being outfit, fourth apparel, and fifth attire. Further, as per data during the same tenure, keywords featuring the word clothing are as follows. Clothing stores had 100 searches in 7 days. Clothing store 97 searches in 7 days. Clothing near me 91 searches, men's clothing 47 searches, women clothing 46 searches, clothing brand 44 searches, and women's clothing 43 searches in 7 days. Search queries with the keyword clothes are listed as follows. Baby clothes 100 searches in 7 days. Clothes near me had 47 searches in 7 days. Women clothes had 37 searches. Girls clothes had 35 searches in 7 days. Kids clothes had 31 searches. Boy clothes had 24 searches. Clothes store had 23 searches. And girl clothes had 21 searches in 7 days. Day by day, more clothing sellers, small business clothing stores are jumping on the wagon, but the challenge for everyone remains the same: how to generate more sales, and of course, how to sell to direct customer. In digital world, it is for sure that you can sell your products anywhere and from anywhere as such, but the challenge is how do you actually garner sales, how do you generate traffic. And with our experience of 15 plus years in the digital marketing space, that's what we can do for you. Now we will share more insights as to how we help one of our clients in clothing and beauty industry to generate $180,000 of sales. The client approached us to actually optimize their existing Amazon ad campaigns, and we did some initial analysis and were able to provide them quick end-to-end solution. When we initially analyzed their Amazon ads campaign, we found out that they were generating traffic, but that traffic was not converting into sales. So what we did for this client was that we tested different objective campaigns as manual and automatic to generate quality traffic. Of course, we tested different product items separately as single products in one campaign to identify which products perform better and generate sales. Thirdly, we kept on optimizing the bidding on the keywords and search terms to make sure that the budget spent effectively and generated sales. Of course, we also tested the keywords in different match type as broad match, phrase match, and exact match, and then even tried to spend more budget on the better performing areas and less on the non-performing ones. After implementing our proven strategies, we could see a revenue of $180,000 a month through Amazon ads campaign for this client. In fact, the client was so happy with the outcome that he even shipped a couple of clothing items to us as bonus. Another case study would highlight how we helped our client to generate $250,000 of monthly sales for a beauty brand.
Brand we are talking about is an e-commerce store based out of US, and their main products were nail polishes and nail powders. The client approached us when they had just set up an e-commerce store and were looking for brand awareness only. Since the client was naive in terms of digital marketing, we proposed to them Google AdWords, and that's how the process started. Our first step towards this process was setting up Google Merchant Center. The intent was to optimize the shopping feed and generate sales. After setting up the Google shopping feed, we started setting up dedicated campaigns for individual product category and then broke it down to individual products. Of course, at the same time, a lot of research was done towards what the competition is offering, and the campaigns were set up accordingly. Analyzing and understanding the data through Google Analytics is an important factor for making campaigns successful. Based on this data, we actually then split up our campaigns targeting different age groups. Once these campaigns were live, they further helped us to attain data regarding which campaigns are doing good than the other ones, and we started focusing on the ones which were doing good. Split testing or A/B testing is an important factor just to check which campaigns, which landing pages are working better, and based on the output and the data, we further optimize the campaigns to generate decent amount of revenue. Different display campaigns were set up to target relevant audience, even though they were not particularly searching for the product as such. We were able to improve the brand awareness. Based on the data, we were also able to optimize the brand related keywords to be targeted. When the campaigns were live for a couple of weeks and the data was present with us as such, it helped us further to improvise, and we could see decent enough sales. To further improve the ROI, we had to cut down the CPA or the cost per acquisition. Although we were seeing decent enough sales, the CPC was still a concern. To lower the CPC or cost per click, we further optimized the Google shopping feed. Once the shopping feeds were optimized, you could see that the sales started improving significantly. In the end, we would like to conclude that any marketing campaign can be made a success based upon the consistent and persistent efforts put into it. And of course, the data analyzing part should be very, very focused.
If you wish to boost your sales and make more money, feel free to get in touch with us through our website. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. You can click on the bell icon to subscribe to our channel. Thanks once again.